So hi everyone, this is ECU Boot, and today we're working on this Mercedes C250 model 2018. And the problem that we are having right now is a message on the instrument cluster saying that our parking brake. Now when I talk to the customer about the maintenance history of this car, I've got a very interesting information. So as you all know, this W205 C-Class is using the electronic parking brake. And whenever you want to do something with it, you have to release the electric parking brake motors, otherwise it will damage the whole systems. So he said back in the day when he was changing the brake pad, instead of releasing it, he did use a special tool to push the brake pad all the way in. So at the point when it no longer can move elsewhere, it will flag a fault code, or in this case a message to our instrument cluster. This particular mistake that we're having right here is not very serious, because after flagging a message, we still can engage and disengage the parking brake in a short period of time. The engine is still running, but occasionally when we open the door, the instrument panel will give us a notifications. So the message won't disappear unless we do some teach-in procedure, and that is the thing that I want to show you in these videos.